Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Evan coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, November 4th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 44 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 61 and a low of 44, with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks won against the Calgary Flames with a score of 4-0. And tonight, the Bulls will play the New York Knicks at 7 o'clock. The celebration of the Cubs' first World Series title in 108 years will start with a parade at noon and end at Grant Park for a 1 o'clock rally. Chicago's mayor says the city of Chicago could not be more proud of the Cubs, and we are going to throw them and their fans a celebration worthy of the history the team made. The only club meeting today is Hoover Harmonics Yellow Group at 11:45 in the music room. Today's announcements are: tomorrow is the Hoover Campanelli Turkey Trot. The run will be in the back of Hoover and start at 10 o'clock. Get there early. And don't forget to bring a food item to donate to the District 54 food pantry. Now a message from Mr. Smosier and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Evan. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Good morning, Mrs. Ankrum. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good.
What's new?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nope.
Nothing ever new.
Nothing at all?
Never.
What's new with you?
Oh, let's see. We're celebrating a couple of birthdays today. Number one, it's Matthew McConaughey's birthday. Happy birthday, Matthew. And Mrs. Bernanke, is it your birthday? Happy birthday. All right. We're going to jump right to the Herbie high fives because there's a parade going on later today. All right, I'm going to go first this time. I've got Archangel in room 110. That is awesome. Maya in 107. We've got Atharva in 107. It actually is Matthew McConaughey's birthday today.
How did you know that?
How'd you know that?
When you're in the fan club, you get little. Kaylin, 113. Little notifications of important dates. Yes. Peyton, 121. It came with my Lincoln keys. Looks like Hamza in 113. We're going to do one more. We've got Ayushi in, looks like 109.
All right, for intermediate, we have Melody in 210. And Maribel in 120. Anvi in 203. Montserrat in 211. Jenna?
Mm-hmm.
Jenna in 211. We'll do one more.
Who's it going to be?
I'm gonna try and mix it up a little. Katie in 205.
All right. Remember to come down to the main office after announcements. I hope to see many of you at the Turkey Trot tomorrow. No other announcements?
No, none from me.
All right. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smosier and Mrs. Ankrum.
You're welcome, Evan.
Now another production studio segment of Ask an Administrator. What do you do in your free time instead of playing with your family?
I like.
And your cat counts as family.
Well, yeah, I mean, I know. So I wasn't even going to go there. I like to search Pinterest and get ideas and recipes and cook. Wake up, Mr.
Oh.
Schmelzer.
I'm sorry. What do I like to do when I'm not doing things with my family? Usually I'm doing schoolwork. Let's see. Yeah.
Making a list of his favorite things.
I do. Usually I like to take long runs. Working on that half marathon. All right, next question.
That's it?
It takes a while to run 16 miles.
What's your saddest movie you ever seen? Oh. What's your saddest movie you've ever seen?
Saddest movie.
These are legit questions from kids.
I think Bambi is pretty sad.
Oh, that's a good one. Good one. Ooh. Go Missouri!
Oh.
Yeah.
Bambi. All right. The saddest movie. I don't know. I don't watch sad movies.
Oh my gosh.
Old Yeller.
Oh, good one. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right.
What's your favorite hairstyle?
I like curls.
A balayage.
Ooh, like Miss Bernanke.
Yes.
I have that
That's her
too.
hair color.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Smoger and Mrs. Ankrum. Here's
Welcome,
today.
Evan.
Here's today's interesting fact.
I always like talking to you in the studio. This is the questions I never know what I'm going to get.
Did you know that you use more muscle to frown than to smile? There are 43 muscles in the face that are needed to frown. Only 17 muscles are used to make a smile. That's all for today. This week's production has been brought to you by the Radioactive Dragons production team. Have a freaky fun Friday.